In front of me is HONOR X5c Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can use Keyboard Clipboard. Start by launching your keyboard and hitting Clipboard at the top of it. If you can't see it at the top left corner, don't worry, it's a common issue. All you need to do is click on this icon of 4 squares at the top left corner as well. Hit Clipboard and then use this switcher next to show the clipboard on your toolbar to enable it. Go back and you'll be able to see it over here. Now, to add anything to clipboard, you need to either copy it and to paste it right away, click on it at the top of your keyboard, or to paste it later on. Click on clipboard and tap on it here. You can also tap on add a new clip within clipboard. Type in whatever you want to and hit save to add it instantly. Now, if this icon next to any text is white, that means that your sentence or a word was pinned, so it will never disappear. If you won't pin it, it will disappear within an hour, so I would recommend to click on those icons until they are white. You can always unpin them by clicking on them again. To delete anything from Clipboard, use this pin button next to text you wanna get rid of and confirm your choice in the pop-up. To go back to standard keyboard, you can either click at the top right corner or top left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!